least 4 people have been arrested, while 3 officials have now been suspended for failure to enforce the rules after the Goa nightclub tragedy unfolded on Sunday. Now, a nightclub teeming with revelers in North Goa turned into a death trap around midnight on Sunday as a massive fire tore through it, claiming 25 lives, including 5 tourists. Now, this incident brought to the fore illegalities along with the laxity of government officials in enforcing rules. In fact, the club's Chief General Manager Rajiv Modak, General Manager Vivek Singh, Bar Manager Rajiv Singhania and Gate Manager Riyanshu Thakur, all 4 of them have now been arrested. An FIR was registered against the owners as well, including Saurabh Luthra and Gaurav Luthra, as well as the event organizers. Now, 3 senior officials of the Goa government, including the then Directorate of Panchayat, have been also suspended for their role in allowing this nightclub to start operations in 2023. In fact, at this point, it has emerged that fireworks was in fact the likely cause of the blaze at Birch by Romeo Lane nightclub in Arpora, just about 25 kilometers from the capital. Officials also say that the facility allegedly did not even possess a fire department NOC. So you can see the type of lapses that took place at multiple levels leading to this tragic incident. At least 6 people were in fact injured. 5 of them are undergoing treatment at hospitals. And the deceased here, about 25, include 20 employees of the nightclub and 5 tourists, including 4 from Delhi. Now, viewers, as per the initial information that News9 is getting, the nightclub had not adhered to the fire safety norms, according to Chief Minister Pramod Sawant. In fact, most of the deaths out of 25 were caused by suffocation, as the victims got trapped on the ground floor in the kitchen, according to a fire brigade official. Further, what compounded the problem was the fact that narrow lanes blocked access of the fire brigade vehicles, and the water tankers had to be parked 400 meters away from the spot. So this essentially made controlling the blaze a challenging task for the firefighters. Small doors, also coupled with a narrow bridge leading it, made it difficult for people to escape. And according to the initial inquiry, electric firecrackers were set off inside, which essentially started the blaze at about 11:45 p.m. IST on Saturday. Now, in this case, the government has been prompt in taking action. They formed a probe panel comprising the South Goa Collector, Deputy Director of Fire and Emergency Services, as well as the Director of Forensic Laboratory, and the committee has now been asked to submit its report within a week. Further, an ex gratia of rupees 5 lakh for the nearest kin of each deceased and rupees 50,000 for the injured would also be paid from the State Disaster Management Authority funds. Remember, the 20 staff members who unfortunately died in the blaze were originally from Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Assam, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. In fact, 4 among them were Nepalese nationals as per the list which has been released by the state government. Now, viewers, arrangements would be made to take the mortal remains of the deceased to their native places, according to the Chief Minister.
यानी 11:45 रात को हुआ, आरपोरा यह जगह पे हुआ है और इंसिडेंट होने के बाद तुरंत विद इन द 45 मिनट्स आवर एंटायर पुलिस टीम, फायर डिपार्टमेंट टीम्स वाज देयर. लेकिन इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर द फायर डिपार्टमेंट्स टू रीच टू दैट एग्जैक्टली टू द क्लब बिकॉज ऑफ द वेरियस ऑब्स्ट्रक्शंस. बट फिर भी यानी विद इन हाफ एन आवर जो फायर कंट्रोल वहाँ लेना था उन्होंने फायर कंट्रोल लिया. और जब अंदर जाके उनको सिर्फ यानी 2 डेड बॉडी ऊपर दिखे, इसीलिए उन्होंने पहले उसको सिर्फ 2 डेड बॉडी बताई. लेकिन बाद में जब वो क्लब के अंडरग्राउंड गए तब उसको बाकी जो 23 डेड बॉडीज़ जो दिखे वो दिखे. लेकिन अंदर वाली जो डेड बॉडीज़ थे उनके लिए कोई यानी फायर इंजरीज नहीं थे. बिकॉज ऑफ द सफोकेशन से इंसिडेंट हुआ. मुझे लगता है कि जो प्रिलिमिनरी इंक्वायरी और प्रिलिमिनरी जो रिपोर्ट सामने आया है, जो इलेक्ट्रिकल फायर क्रैकर्स कुछ जो जलाते हैं विद इन द क्लब्स, इसकी वजह से फायर उसको लगी और पूरे ऊपर से उनका पूरा क्लब उसको पहले पूरे आग लगी और बाद में कुछ लोग बाहर आ सके, बाकी लोग जो बाहर नहीं आए, इसलिए इंसिडेंट्स हुआ. So I have conveyed the urgent and high-level meeting today at the 12:15, and continuously I am discussing with all the concerned officers. So the Chief Secretary, DGP, IGP, Secretary Revenue, Collector North, SP have discussed regarding the cause of the incident, and after having the detailed discussions, I have taken the following decisions. 1. To conduct the magisterial inquiry through the committee comprising of the District Magistrate, SP South, Deputy Collector of the Deputy Director of the Fire and Emergency Services, Director Forensics regarding the procedural lapses and resulted in the mischief, and to submit the report to the government within a week. DGP has directed to take the strict punitive actions against the culprit, including the owner, managers, and manager of the club, and those who have issued the permissions. The committee shall be, third one, the committee shall be constituted under the chairmanship of the Secretary Revenue for conducting the audit of such clubs, business establishment, etc., which are operating without the valid permissions and wherein there is a likelihood to be gathering of the people in large number. An SOP has framed by this committee for all such establishments to ensure such incident shall not repeated in future. The advisory to issue by SDMA for all club, restaurant and other commercial establishment wherein the likelihood of the significant footfall is there to ensure and they operate and with the valid permissions and adequate safety provisions.
कल देर रात को आरपोरा में एक नाइट क्लब में आग लगी जिसमें 25 लोग अब तक अपनी जान खो चुके हैं. कई लोग बहुत सीरियसली इंजर्ड हैं जो अभी जीएमसी में भर्ती हैं. वो बचेंगे कि नहीं बचेंगे हमें पता नहीं. सबसे पहले जिन लोगों की जान गई है उनके परिवारों के साथ हमारी संवेदना है, और जो लोग अभी अस्पताल में भर्ती हैं हम उम्मीद करते हैं वो जल्दी ठीक हो. लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी, बीजेपी की गोवा सरकार को इसका जवाब देना पड़ेगा. कैसे लाइसेंसेस के बिना एक वाटर बॉडी के अंदर नाइट क्लब चल रहा था? किसने परमिशन दे दी? और अगर लाइसेंसेस और अप्रूवल्स नहीं थे तो बिजली का कनेक्शन कैसे मिला? पानी का कनेक्शन कैसे मिला? लिकर लाइसेंस कैसे मिला? क्या किसी को पता नहीं था वहाँ पे इतना बड़ा नाइट क्लब चल रहा है? आप नॉर्थ की कोस्टल बेल्ट में जाइए तो हर रेस्टोरेंट का मालिक, हर नाइट क्लब का मालिक आपको बताएगा कि हफ्ता वसूली होती है. सारे नेता हफ्ता वसूली करते हैं, और इस करप्शन की वजह से आज 25 लोगों की जान चली गई है. आज गोवा में इतना करप्शन हो गया है, हर चीज़ का रेट. पानी का कनेक्शन चाहिए उसका रेट है, बिजली का कनेक्शन चाहिए उसका रेट है, एनओसी चाहिए उसका रेट है. और आज इस करप्शन ने 25 इनोसेंट लोगों की, जिनका कोई कसूर नहीं था, 25 बेकसूर लोगों की जान ले ली है.
Today when Goa woke up to this very sad tragic news with the loss of precious lives, it is a blot on Goa, because Goa was considered as a tourist destination, but in the last few years there has been a total collapse in law and order. This tragedy is a result of the collapse of law and order. There is no law and order. This is just one of the many failures that is coming out in the open. When the Chief Minister himself says that there were no permission, and if this matter was raised in the Assembly in the August session, that means the CM is accepting that he has not taken any action despite it being raised in the Assembly. That means at the highest level.
बिल्कुल ही वो एग्जिट की तरफ ही आ रहे थे सारे. अंदर कोई नहीं गया, क्योंकि यहाँ से एंट्री जैसे हमने करी ना, और बैक साइड में वॉशरूम है, राइट साइड में डांसर डांस कर रही है, और जो एंट्री है वहीं से एग्जिट करा है सबने.
और ये जो फंसे हुए थे वो अंदर ही थे पहले से?
हाँ, जो था वो अंदर ही था. और सारे जितने भी गेस्ट थे वो तो बाहर आ ही गए थे. और बैक साइड में जैसे वो कह रहे कि किचन है, तो उसका मुझे मालूम नहीं.
कितने बजे ये हुआ सर?
लगभग 12 बजे के आसपास.
12 बजे के आसपास हुआ.
11 से 12 के बीच में.
कितने बजे आए थे यहाँ पे? मतलब
सर मैं यहाँ पे आया था 11 बजे.
11 बजे.
हाँ,
डांस वांस
लगभग सब कुछ चालू था.
सर मतलब अंदर स्टाफ ने सर अनदेखा किया उसको, ये चीज छोटी है।
नहीं अनदेखा तो नहीं, मतलब वो उस टाइम स्टार्ट ही हुई थी और एक वहाँ पे कोई डीजे के पास कोई लड़का था, उसने पानी का कुछ कंटेनर था वो बुझाने की कोशिश करी पर वो बुझा नहीं पाए, फिर एकदम से वो लोग बाहर की तरफ आए। हाँ मतलब एकदम से ही भगदड़ हुई। हाँ हलचल मच गई वहाँ पे, तो सारे बाहर की तरफ ही भागे और एकदम से उसी टाइम आग बढ़ गई।
Being a Goan, it is absolutely shocking, disappointing, and heart-wrenching to actually wake up to such news in the morning. In fact, we got it late at night that something like this was happening. And the total tragedy was when we realized a little earlier in the morning. The point is this: firstly, and first and foremost, the reason for the entire incident was that there were fireworks, as the CM has stated in his statement to the media, fireworks inside the venue. Why? Because there was a belly dancer that was performing, and those pyros were lined up, 10, 12 of them, inside a venue that had wood around and had dried grass that gave it a shack-like atmosphere. And that is why when the CM and the Goa police have put culpable homicide not amounting to murder, let me be brutally honest and state it is murder. It is murder when you light fire inside a flammable area and there are people that are inside that nightclub. That's point number one. Therefore, Luthra and the owners of that particular club must be tried for murder and not culpable homicide. Number one. Number two, it is a complete failure of the Goa Administration Department to allow for such illegalities to stay there in the first place. The other restaurant belonging to the same owners, which they have now looked at, is also illegal.
All right, so that's the latest we know as far as the legal investigation goes into this inferno that unfolded at Goa's nightclub in Arpora. 4 people have been arrested so far and 3 officials have been suspended. In fact, we are given to understand that Goa police team is now searching for nightclub owners who are also booked under BNS. Saurabh Luthra and Gaurav Luthra, we are given to understand, are on the run. And non-bailable warrants have been now issued against nightclub owners. Goa police team, in fact, have also reached the capital city in their search for the owners of this nightclub, including Saurabh as well as Gaurav Luthra. We are given to understand that these owners have now been booked under BNS and they are on the run. Non-bailable warrants have also been issued against these two. And Goa police have begun their search. They've also reached the capital city in order to locate these nightclub owners. That's the latest we're getting in as far as the investigation goes into the Goa fire tragedy. Remember, 25 people lost their lives, and it is on the management and their sheer negligence that this has come down to. And in the light of that, Goa police has now reached the capital city to nab the nightclub owners.